Are you guys ready to do some borrowing subtraction? So I wrote down 3 problems, 1, 2, 3 on our plan for us to try. So go ahead, you can try writing them on a whiteboard or you can use a piece of paper. I encourage you guys to try writing them on your own and setting them up to make sure we get those lines underneath. I know sometimes we have a hard time with that. So I'll make sure you go slow. So make sure you're set up. You're put me on pause. You can go through it with Mrs. Masco. You can pause me and try them all on your own and then just see if you got the right answers, which would be nice. Either way, let's go ahead and try this. So we're going to do subtraction. That's really important. Make sure you look at the sign, the subtraction sign. So we have to count backwards. So we can't just choose. We have to start at the top. We have to start at the top. So if we have 2, and remember the right side's always right, we have to start on the right side. If I have 2, can I take 7 away from it? No, you can't. So we can't have 2 and then take 7 away from it. So I need to go borrow a 10. So I'm going to take a 10, take that 10. Remember, we throw it over to the other side. So I took that 10 away. So we went from a 8 to a 7 and bring that 10 over here. So we took that 10 and brought it over here. So now that 10 plus 2 is 12. So now we can do 12 minus 7. So you can do 12 and take 7 away or start the smaller number and count up, whatever is easier for you. I'm going to go subtraction. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, now let's go over to the 10 spot. So we start on the right, we're going this way. 7, take 1 away. 7, 6. So our answer is 65 for the first one. 65. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. So go ahead and write down 54 minus 27. 54 minus 27. And I hope you're telling Mrs. Masco, I know I need to start on the 1 spot on the right side. It's always right. The right is always right. So if I have 4, I have to start at the top. If I have 4, can I take 7 away from it? You better be shaking your head. No, Mrs. Masco, I can't. I need to go borrow 10. So I'm going to take 10 from this 10 spot. So it was like picking up a 10, throwing it over in the 1 spot. So I took a 10 away. So I go from 5 to a 4. Where do I put that 10? I'm putting it over here. Throw that 10 there, take that 1 out. So we went 10 plus 4 is 14. So now I have 14 minus 7. And I think you're saying, Mrs. Masco, there's a doubles. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Good. Now let's go over to our 10 spot. 4, take 2 away. 4, 3, 2. Look at that. It's 27. 27. And our last one, 73 minus 46. 73 minus 46. What side do I start on? Right is always right, Mrs. Masco. You're right. So I want to start on the right side. We're subtracting. Here we go. If I have 3, can I take 6 away from it? And you're telling me, no, I can't. No, I can't. What should you do? Oh, borrow. So cross out that 7. Let's go borrow 10. So we're taking one group of 10. It's down to a 6. Where do I put it? Throw it back over at the 1 spot. Add that 1 over there. We now have 13. 13 minus 6. So see if you can do that in your head. If not, here's some touch points for you. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to that 10 spot. 6 minus 4. Try 6 minus 4. Try writing it. If not, here's touch points. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Your answer is 27. So let me just show you those quick. So the first one, the answer was 65. The second one was 27. And the last one, 27. What are the chances of that? Good job, my friends.